Rami here. The harvest is the gathering of the crops. In this specific case, it is the gathering of fully mature souls that have taken over their assigned bodies and characters. These souls started their journeys in seed form, much like an apple seed that grew into a big strong tree that eventually produced delicious fruit. This comparison is a good one, with one exception, which is that the journey of the soul typically takes much longer than that of an apple seed. In addition, unlike an apple tree, a soul is immortal and cannot be harmed in any way. It can appear in and out of time and go through both growth periods in time and dormant periods in between lifetimes, in time outside of time. What is it again that is harvested? Christ is harvested. It is being gathered as I speak. How is it being gathered? It is being gathered through the support we are providing, as well as the support each Christ office is providing through unity and relationship. There is a great deal of sharing going on, and this is part of the harvest as well, a crucial part of it. This is a good time to acknowledge the one known as Christina. If she had not been willing to stick her neck out and do all the hard work in collecting, organizing, and promoting this material, there would be no harvest. She did all of this simply because she knew it was the right thing to do. It wasn't the popular thing to do, but she was going to respond, and her response is what has gotten us to this point. Without Christina, these sacred writings would still be in meticulously organized notebooks, unseen by those who needed to see them. If there is a true hero in this story, it is Christina, the modern-day gatherer of souls. With love, Rami.